250 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar, 200 grams of flour, and 1 envelope of vanilla. Just follow the 4 easy steps below. We are going to mix the dry ingredients, the flour, and the sugar. And the vanilla, so 8 grams. After, we are going to put the butter. And we are going to mix all of them. You can do it in a bowl. If you need more butter, you add it. That is the way. But the dough could be after you flatten, put a little of flour in the roller, pin, and roller to make the shapes. We are going to use Christmas shapes. Excellent! Put them on a tray of the oven. Take them 10 or 12 minutes or until edges are lightly brown. To use the cauliflower to put on the table to use the fondant. If you want another color that you haven't, you can mix different colors. For example, blue and yellow is green. After you roller with a roll pin and put the shape of the cookie that you want to decorate, for example, a Christmas tree. Put a little of butter on the cookie to stick the fondant on it, and after put more butter if you want to continue decorating. We can use different colors of fondant. Thank you, Laura and Irene, to share with us this activity. It's really fun.